we'll sell them at a police station.
Police station 111.
Oh, look. It's Rizzo.
Hey, you guys.
What do you say, Riz?
Words mostly.
Hey, what are you up to, Riz? Got a night job or something?
Yeah, she's at work right now.
Yeah, right, Sonny. You're too rich.
Hey, and there it is.
Hey, come on, guys.
Hey, it's Kadicki.
Hey! What took you so long? Is this your new custom convert?
Yeah, this is it. Ain't it cool?
Yeah. About as cool as a good humor truck.
Look, okay, Rizzo, if that's how you feel, why don't you go back to your pajama party? Plenty of chicks who get down right around this woman.
Yeah, sure they would. Hey, what's with that?
All right, look, you give me 5 minutes. Why don't you say I pick you up over a Bugger Palace?
In 5 minutes.
Yeah, I'll be right over. As soon as I get rid of the deadwood. Come on, guys!
Hey, Riz, where you going?
See you around, Reese.
Oh! Hey, Danny! I just left your girlfriend over at Marty's house, barfing all over the place.
Girlfriend? What are you talking about?
Sandy. You know, Sandra Dee. Stay cool, you guys.
Weird chick. Hey, Kadicki, where'd you get this honky joke from anyway?
Hey, what you talking about? This? This is Grease Lightning.
Hey, nice color. What is it? Candy apple primer?
Hey, come on! Wait till I give it a paint job and soup up the engine. She's gonna walk like a champ. Guys, this car could be one cool piece of machine. Why, this car could be automatic.